Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from phone. So it's very easy and let's get started. First of all, you just have to open up your phone browser. So after opening up from the phone browser, you have to search for photos.google.com. Now it will directly log into Google Photos. So what you have to do is you just have to delete the photo or video from here. So that's what I'm tap on delete button and tap on got it and move to bin. And in this way, what it will do, it will just delete the photo from Google Photos, but not from your phone gallery. So you can recover it also by tapping on option settings, tap on bin, and here you are saying. So keep in mind that there is a time duration of 60 days. You can also recover this post from Google Photos, but always remember that it will just delete from Google Photos, not from your phone. And in order to delete permanently from your phone, you just have to go back to your Google Photos app in your mobile phone and delete. Then you can permanently delete from also your phone, but in browser you cannot delete from your phone also. So this is the best way to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from phone. So that's all for today guys. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.